So it's the next speed problem, upstream and downstream problem. Upstream and downstream, what they say? Suppose that a boat, a stream. If both have own speed x km per hour and the stream flowing from left to right direction, so if both speed direction and water direction is same, so you can say it's a downstream. Boat and water in same direction. But if boat here left side and water as well as right side, so boat and water in opposite direction, so it's upstream. Okay, both water same direction downstream, both water in opposite direction upstream. Okay, so for this type question we always write 4 steps. Let the speed of boat in still water, means boat speed in still water, that means no stream, just like in pond, swimming pool. So speed of boat x km per hour and the speed of stream y km per hour, stream or current. Then speed of boat in downstream x plus y km per hour, speed of boat in upstream x minus y km per hour, because if they are same direction, so speed add, but in opposite direction, so boat here, water here, the speed difference. Always boat minus water, boat पहले water बाद में. So it's a 4 step you write in the board examination, so you get directly 1 marks. Then we take the example, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. Basic problem, you can write these 4 steps. Then case first, speed of downstream. The speed of downstream is equal to distance upon time, means x plus y is equal to 10. Equation first. Case second, speed of upstream, distance upon time, distance 4, time 2, x minus y is equal to 2. Equation 2. X plus y equal to 10, x minus y is equal to 2. Then solve both the equation. X plus y 10, x minus y is y 2, y cancel by elimination method. Same coefficient with different sign, that add 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6. Put in first, so 6 plus y is equal to 10, y is equal to 4. So speed of boat 6 km per hour and current 4 km per hour. Okay, it's a very basic word problem of upstream and downstream. We take one more example. First, pause the video and note down. Take one more problem of upstream and downstream. A boat goes 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream in 6 hours. Also, it covered 12 km upstream and 36 km downstream in the same time. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the steam. My first 4 line is same. Speed of boat in still water, speed of boat, speed of current, speed of boat in downstream, speed of boat in upstream. But in this question, I have two conditions given for the time. So if we solve for case first, total time 6 hours in 16 km upstream and 24 km downstream. So time case first, time in upstream, time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance, that is 16, speed x minus y r. Time in downstream, correct, distance upon speed. Distance 24 km, speed x plus y hours. So according to question, upstream time plus downstream time make 6. Equation first. Upstream time, downstream time is equal to 6 hours. Total time 6 hours. Same for case second. Second case, time in upstream 12 km means 12 upon x minus y hours. Time in downstream 36 km, 36 upon x plus y hours. According to question, upstream time plus downstream time is equal to 6, because in the same time, 6 hours in first case, 6 hours in second case. Now you can solve both equations, you get the value of x and y, but it is in a fractional form. So fractional form questions you have to solve by supposing, let 1 upon x minus y is equal to a, 1 upon x plus y is equal to b. Then 16 upon x minus y means 16a plus 24b is equal to 6. You have to simplify them. 8a plus 12b is equal to 3. Equation number third. And from second equation, ये from first है, अब from second. 12a plus 36b is equal to 6 means a plus 2a plus 6b is equal to 1. Divide by 6. Then coefficient not equal, so multiply by 4. Multiply by 4 in equation fourth. Third equation same as 8a 12b 3. Here 8a 24b is equal to 4. Multiply by 4. Then subtract, cancel out, minus minus minus. 12b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to 1 by 12. You get the value of b. Then put in equation here third. Put in third. So 8a plus 12 into 1 upon 12 is equal to 3. 8a is equal to 3 minus 1. A is equal to 2 by 8. A is equal to 1 by 4. Now you get the value of A and B. A 1 by 4, B 1 by 12. May I have this solution? This 4 line only, not whole. A is equal to 1 upon 4, B is equal to 1 upon 12. What is A? 1 upon x minus y is equal to 1 upon 4. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 12. So, x minus y is equal to 4, equation number 5th. And x plus y is equal to 12, equation number 6. Now solve this. Cancel out. 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8. Put in 5th. 6 में put कर देते हैं. 6, 8 plus y is equal to 12, y is equal to 4. Means speed of boat in still water 8 kilometer per hour and speed of current 4 kilometer per hour. That's your answer. Okay. So that's the upstream downstream problem. Very important questions for 4 marks in board examination. Pause the video and note down. So we take the next problems.